Sean "Diddy" Combs, a name synonymous with hip-hop royalty, now faces a different kind of music, the discordant symphony of a legal battle. This time, it's not about chart positions or record deals. It's about accusations that strike at the heart of power, consent, and accountability in the entertainment industry. A new lawsuit, brought forth by Crystal McKinney, threatens to tarnish Combs' carefully crafted image and reignite a debate about the treatment of women in the entertainment world. The allegations are serious, echoing a pattern of behavior that has plagued the industry for decades. McKinney, an aspiring artist, claims that her encounters with Combs were far from the glamorous collaborations she envisioned. Instead, she alleges manipulation, coercion, and ultimately a devastating blow to her career. These accusations, if proven true, could have far-reaching consequences for Combs, potentially tarnishing his legacy and impacting his business empire. This isn't just another celebrity scandal, it's a stark reminder of the power imbalances that permeate the entertainment industry. The lawsuit has reignited a conversation about the exploitation that aspiring artists, particularly women, can face when trying to break into the industry. It raises uncomfortable questions about the responsibility of powerful figures like Combs to protect and nurture talent, rather than allegedly using it for their own gain. The lawsuit against Combs serves as a potent symbol of a much larger reckoning happening in the entertainment industry and beyond. As more individuals come forward with their own stories of abuse and exploitation, the tolerance for such behavior continues to dwindle. The outcome of this case could have significant implications for how power is wielded and accountability is demanded in the entertainment world moving forward. At the center of this legal maelstrom is Crystal McKinney, a woman whose aspirations of musical stardom took a dark turn. She paints a picture of Combs as a man who used his influence not to elevate her career, but to allegedly take advantage of her vulnerability. Her lawsuit details a pattern of behavior that began with promises of mentorship and collaboration, only to devolve into alleged instances of unwanted advances and pressure to engage in inappropriate behavior. McKinney's allegations paint a troubling picture of her time working with Combs. She claims that he made unwelcome sexual advances towards her, creating a hostile work environment. She further alleges that when she rejected his advances, he retaliated by using his industry connections to sabotage her career, effectively blacklisting her from potential opportunities. These accusations, if proven true, expose a dark underbelly of the music industry, where ambition and dreams can be exploited. McKinney's story is not unique, echoing the experiences of many who have dared to enter the industry, only to find themselves trapped in a system that often protects the powerful at the expense of the vulnerable. The lawsuit goes beyond individual accusations, highlighting the systemic issues that have allowed such behavior to fester within the entertainment industry. McKinney's courage in coming forward could empower others to break their silence and demand accountability for the wrongs they have suffered. Her story serves as a reminder that behind the glitz and glamour of the music industry lie real lives and careers that can be irrevocably damaged by abuse of power. The lawsuit against Combs gains further weight due to a critical legal development, New York's Adult Survivors Act. This act, which opened a one-time look-back window for survivors of sexual assault to file civil lawsuits, regardless of when the alleged abuse occurred, has provided an avenue for McKinney to seek justice. This legal avenue, often a beacon of hope for survivors, is particularly relevant in cases like this, where power dynamics and the passage of time can make it difficult to come forward. This look-back window is significant because it allows alleged victims to pursue justice for past wrongs, even if the statute of limitations has expired. This legal provision recognizes that trauma can make it difficult for survivors to come forward immediately, and it provides them with an opportunity to seek redress for the harm they have suffered. Combs' legal team is expected to mount a vigorous defense, likely challenging the veracity of McKinney's claims and the applicability of the look-back window in this specific case. The coming months will see a fierce legal battle, with both sides presenting their arguments and evidence. The outcome of this legal battle could have significant implications for future cases brought under the Adult Survivors Act. The lawsuit against Combs is just one of many that have been filed since the enactment of the Adult Survivors Act, demonstrating the widespread impact of this legislation. It remains to be seen how the court will ultimately rule, but the case has already sparked a debate about the statute's scope and its potential to bring about long overdue justice for survivors of sexual abuse. Section 4. Expert Analysis, a turning tide in entertainment law. Legal experts believe this case could be a watershed moment. The outcome could embolden others to come forward and hold powerful figures accountable for their actions. The entertainment industry, built on image and reputation, is notoriously resistant to change. However, the tide seems to be turning. This case is significant, not just because of the allegations themselves, but because of the legal tools now available to survivors, says prominent entertainment lawyer Emily Baker. The Adult Survivors Act has provided a pathway for accountability that didn't exist before. This could have a ripple effect throughout the industry. The potential ramifications extend beyond Combs. The lawsuit has put a spotlight on the pervasive issue of sexual misconduct in the entertainment industry. The outcome could influence how companies handle such allegations in the future, potentially leading to stricter codes of conduct and greater protection for aspiring artists. This case is a stark reminder that the entertainment industry is not immune to the societal reckoning around sexual abuse, says cultural commentator Dr. Jason Lee. The days of sweeping these issues under the rug are over. We are witnessing a shift in power dynamics where survivors are finding their voice and demanding justice. Section 5. A cloud of uncertainty. Combs' future hangs in the balance. As the legal process unfolds, a cloud of uncertainty hangs over Combs' career and legacy. The allegations, if proven true, could irrevocably damage his reputation, impacting his business ventures and public image. The lawsuit serves as a stark reminder that even those at the pinnacle of success are not above the law. Combs has denied all allegations. His legal team has vowed to fight the lawsuit vigorously, calling the accusations baseless and opportunistic. The outcome of the case remains uncertain, but the damage to Combs' reputation may already be done. The lawsuit has already led to some professional consequences for Combs. Several brands have paused collaborations, adopting a wait-and-see approach as the legal proceedings unfold. The financial repercussions could be significant, potentially impacting his vast business empire. Regardless of the legal outcome, the allegations against Combs are a blow to his carefully cultivated image. He now faces the challenge of rebuilding trust with his fans, business partners, and the industry at large. The road ahead will be long and arduous, with no guarantee of redemption. Section 6. Shifting Sands, Industry-Wide Implications. The lawsuit against Combs is not an isolated incident. It is part of a larger cultural shift where allegations of sexual misconduct are no longer being ignored or dismissed. The entertainment industry, with its history of protecting powerful figures, is being forced to confront its own complicity in perpetuating a culture of silence and abuse. The case has ignited a conversation about the need for systemic change within the industry. Experts believe that this is just the tip of the iceberg, predicting that more individuals will come forward with their own stories of abuse. This wave of accusations could lead to a complete overhaul of how the entertainment industry operates. The industry is already grappling with the fallout of the #MeToo movement, which exposed widespread sexual harassment and assault in Hollywood. The lawsuit against Combs adds another layer to this ongoing reckoning, highlighting the need for greater accountability and transparency. The case serves as a warning to other powerful figures in the entertainment industry that their actions will no longer go unchecked. The era of impunity is over. The industry must now grapple with its past and present, creating a safer and more equitable environment for all.